If you're looking to reduce interior heat, increase privacy, and protect your car's interior, a high-quality window tint is one of the best upgrades you can make. In this video, we're reviewing 5 of the best window tint films available on Amazon this year. Let's begin with the ROCKROSE Carbon 35% VLT Window Tint Roll. This film is a favorite for drivers who want both style and function without making their vehicle too dark. The 35% visible light transmission allows plenty of natural light while still blocking up to 99% of UV rays and around 80% of infrared heat. It's crafted from carbon material, which means it won't fade over time like dyed film. Moreover, it doesn't interfere with GPS or phone signal, an issue with many metallic tints. Installation is relatively easy for DIY users, and the film shrinks well with heat, making it a reliable pick for all vehicle types. For those who want maximum privacy, the ROCKROSE Carbon 5% VLT Limo Black Tint is a top-tier choice. At 5% VLT, it offers that true limo-style appearance, blocking almost all visible light from the outside while maintaining internal visibility during daylight hours. Like its 35% sibling, this film also features carbon construction, delivering excellent UV protection and heat rejection without signal interference. It's ideal for backseat windows or rear glass where privacy is a top concern. Drivers who frequently park outdoors also appreciate how well it protects the cabin from sun damage and prying eyes. Stepping into premium territory, we have the VEPAGOO Ceramic 5% VLT Tint Film. This product is built with advanced nano-ceramic technology, giving it superior UV and infrared blocking capabilities. It's scratch-resistant, signal-safe, and noticeably better at thermal insulation than typical carbon tints. The 5% VLT ensures high privacy, and the ceramic particles offer a rich, glare-free viewing experience from the inside. It's perfect for luxury vehicles or anyone who values both performance and aesthetics. While it's slightly more expensive than carbon films, its durability and performance justify the cost for serious drivers. If you want a more balanced approach, the VEPAGOO Ceramic 20% VLT Tint Film might be your ideal match. With 20% light transmission, this tint provides a clean, semi-private appearance without making the car interior too dark. It still delivers excellent UV and heat protection, thanks to the nano-ceramic composition. This option is especially good for front-side windows or all-around use in states with stricter tint regulations. Its clarity, durability, and subtle style make it one of the most versatile picks on the market. It's a great balance between aesthetics, comfort, and legal compliance. Lastly, we have the VEPAGOO Ceramic 35% VLT Tint Film, the lightest among our featured products. This film is for those who prefer to keep visibility high while still cutting out heat and harmful UV rays. Like the others in VEPAGOO's ceramic series, it offers excellent thermal control, a scratch-resistant surface, and strong signal compatibility. This tint is perfect for drivers who want solar protection without significantly altering the appearance of their windows. It's often chosen for windshields or front windows where visibility is crucial, but protection is still needed.